The rain delay. I can't believe we got tickets to the baseball game. I know. I've wanted to see the team play all year. It's too bad they are in last place. That's okay. I just love the game. Yeah, that's true. Do you think the game will start on time? I don't know. The rain has been coming down fairly strong. I hope they get the game in. Yes, it would be a shame if we wasted our Sunday. It's not a waste. We're together. Yes, that is a wonderful point. And even if they don't play baseball, it's nice to be outside. Yes, I do enjoy the rain. Do you know who's pitching today? Well, I hope it's Dean Thomas. I thought he played another sport. Yeah, but he plays baseball now too. What's his record so far this year? He's won 5 games and lost 2. That's not bad at all for a rookie. Yeah, the team could go places with this kid on the mound. How fast can he throw? He's been clocked at 99 miles per hour. That's amazing. I sure hope they play now. I'd love to see him. Me too, my friend. Me too.